Ladies and gentlemen, we have all the dignitaries joining us at this hour. With great pleasure, I would like to invite all of them on to the IMC 2025 Roadshow, which is part of the Global Matrix 2025 Summit. My name is Vasanthi Hari Prakash. I come from the world of media and podcasts and the founder CEO of Pickle Jar. And with that, we welcome our esteemed guests onto the dais. May I invite Dr. Chandrasekhar Pemasani, Honorable Minister of State for Communications and Rural Development, Government of India, to join us on stage. Dr. Neeraj Mittal. Dr. Neeraj Mittal is going to join us very soon. Shri Abhijit Kishore, Chairman, Cellular Operator Association of India, is also with us. We'd like to also invite Shri P. Ramakrishna, CEO of the India Mobile Congress, as we ready to commence this program, which is the IMC 2025 Roadshow. To actually set the context and the welcome comments, I'd like to invite Dr. Suvi Chaturvedi, who represents quite the spark of deep tech success for sure. We heard her address in the morning, but also India's first unicorn in Mobi, and we'd like to have Dr. Suvi deliver the welcome comments.
Hi, good evening. Namaskara, Bengaluru. And a very, very warm welcome to all the dignitaries on the dais who've flown in specially for this conversation here today. We're on the 10th edition of Matrix. And this is an effort and a culmination of TIE's journey for over a decade. So, a huge round of applause for everybody who's in the room and on the dais here with us today. I speak on behalf of the Bengaluru ecosystem. Sir, it gives us great joy to welcome you in our city. I was born in Lucknow, and Bengaluru for us is our Karma Bhumi. I work out of Delhi, and almost every other week I find myself here because this is where innovation happens. And today I'm so happy that we're having this conversation to set context for the India Mobile Congress back in 2016. It was my baby, the first edition. I'm so happy to see my friend Ramki here on the stage with us today. So, the genesis of this conversation is truly a meeting of the minds. When we started this conversation in the beginning morning today, we were discussing three things: it's culture, it's capital, and it's code. So when we look at welcoming you and set this context for the India Mobile Congress, mobile for us is the lifeline. When the earthquake happened in Bhuj, it was the telecommunications department who were the first responders. Neeraj sir is with us on the dais. He's somebody who we go to for mentorship, inspiration, support, guidance. And I'm so happy that COI, ably chaired by Abhijit, is right here. And this is the culmination of an industry which is often not celebrated. When we came up with the India Mobile Congress, it was to create not just India, but all of South Asia's marquee conversation, which brought together inspiration, which brought together minds to discuss policy, to discuss the way forward, and also create a safe space for innovation to happen. So everything that was happening in telecom was getting conversed and getting talked about first on this platform of the India Mobile Congress. I take so much pride to see how far the journey has come along, and why this is so important. For a lot of you who may not have made this journey to Delhi, I very strongly urge you, and there are people who will talk about it with far more detail and passion. They're very, very close to the India Mobile Congress, but do put in the effort to make this happen. Couple of words before I yield the mic back. We started this conversation today to talk about the journey of innovation and entrepreneurship. And we talked about Basavanna's treatise on not just leadership, but also doing things right. So when we're having this conversation in Bangalore, which is leading the country as well as ecosystems on innovation, why is this moment so special? Because it's the culmination of policy done right. So, because I've been a policy person all my life, it's very, very important to remember when we look at public policy, it's always for the interest of the public. It's after due public consultation. And today is so special because it's the 10th anniversary of Digital India, the government's ambitious program where we came up with this slogan which said power to empower. So Jandhan, which was the Jan Trinity Aadhaar, mobile, and banking, and also the amazing visionary idea which was BharatNet, connecting all 600,000 panchayats and 250,000 villages with high speed connectivity. So, Indians do not need guidance on innovation. I'm reminded of the story by Sri Ajay Kumarji, who was also one of the founding architects of Digital India. When the tsunami happened on the coastal belt, they gave GPSs to fishermen to find their way back. What the fishermen started doing were marking the maximum catch of fish. So we know innovation. It's in our blood. We understand frugal innovation, which is why our Mars mission is a success story. And it's also how do we do it, not just what we achieve. The ability to get every single money, every worth for every single penny is something that we live by. So now it's the time when India is no longer learning from the West. We're in a position to give back through the open stack, through the innovation which is taking place from Meerut to Bengaluru. It couldn't have been a better time to celebrate entrepreneurship. And one of the lessons that we learned, and which has been part of my journey, is to make sure that you're telling your stories. And what better platform than TIE, than Matrix, than the Bengaluru Tech Summit and the India Mobile Congress. So welcome once again on behalf of our city and our state to this amazing, amazing city. We're looking forward to hearing your remarks, sir. Thank you once again for joining us. Thank you.